Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete or remove a friend from your T3 Arena friend list. So to delete a friend on T3 Arena, first of all, make sure to launch the T3 Arena app on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your active account. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the friends or the two human icon at the top right corner. This will open up your Friends tab. Go ahead and select a friend you'd like to delete from your friend list. After you open up the info of the person, click on the three dots right next to the profile picture of the person, and then you will see this delete button. Tap on it and then click on confirm. And just like that, the contact will then be removed from your friend list. So that's how you can easily successfully remove a friend in T3 Arena. If this guide was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.